Alright, what's up guys? We're back in the shop tonight. I'm gonna get the rear glass cut out, the windshield cut out, and see how far we can get into the cowl area. I really like to save this sticker here, but I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. I don't know if I'm just going to end up cutting the glass and scoring it and trying to get it out that way, or because I need to replace this glass because of the cloudiness that's, I guess, in between the layers here. But I'm going to continue cutting the weather strip so that I can push it out.
Alright, I get muted.
Yeah, maybe.
How good is your zoom? It's pretty good. I could get a new lens.
You already did. You got me a monster. I scored it along here, and now I'm just breaking it away because it's all dry rotted. It's working. Razor scraper. Tag me, tag out. Good.
Alright, go ahead. You want me to get your face?
Doesn't matter. Here is warm. Yes. That should be enough.
This is it, Chief. Use your feet. This is a thick glass.
Are they e-coating cars?
Only a small rust spot down here. Full up here.
You got one in the top corner? I got one in both of the same corner.
Ooh, this one's crusty. This one's crusty. Golly.
Scratch the glass. You got it? Yep, this stuff is like gray.
Check out this. Check out this hole right here. Not supposed to be there. Alright, so we're going to do a rough cut on the top layer of the cowl panel so that we can see what's inside. Normally you would grind each spot weld and release the panels from each other, but kind of pressed on time for tonight, and so we're gonna just do a rough cut. Nice.
Alright, let's get this thing done. Very cool, Kanye. Look at that.
Alright, so here's the first look into the cowl area. Lots of trash, so we're gonna have to vacuum that and get it out of the way. See what's under all this trash, because those are the areas around these two air intake vents where there's the most rot usually. There's a lot of stuff, surface rust in there, so should be a indicator that there's gonna be some more in there. Alright. It's not as bad as I was thinking, but I mean, I've seen worse.
Yeah.
But I'm still gonna replace it.
Yeah.
So we've gone this far. And then you can see if there's rot in this area.
If I can.
Can you see it?
Let me get that light in there.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at
Right in there. So, yeah, that definitely warrants replacement. So, yeah, that's the cowl. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a video. We got the cowl panel cut open so that we could see what was exactly going on in there. You could see around the air intakes that there were some holes, and I really had always planned on replacing it. I didn't exactly know how I was gonna do it. It's a really expensive part, but I have it on the way. I have the cowl, the two-piece cowl on the way with the there's like two little fender extension pieces that go on top of that panel, so I got those as well, so they should be here for the next video. But stay tuned, comment, like, subscribe. Cowl. Who's here?
Somebody's whistling.
Damn.
Oh.
Well, unlimited.
Casey Cowl.